This video will walk you through how to perform a parameter upload of a KEB drive. For information on how to connect to a drive or how to perform a parameter download, please check the link above or the link in the video description. For KEB, a parameter upload is used to save the parameters from a drive to a file on your computer. Step 1 is to connect your drive to Combivis 6. When the drive is online, you will see a green plug next to the device in the navigation window. Now go to the navigation bar at the top and click on Tools and go to Parameter Backup. Make sure the correct device is selected. You can either create a backup of the parameters in the project as a list and export it later, or export it now as a DW5 file. For now, select Create DW5 Files. Now go ahead and click Start. A warning pop-up will remind you that you should not have your machine running while you perform these upload procedures. Go ahead and click Yes. A progress meter shows the completion percentage, and this may take a while depending on the number of parameters that you're uploading. When it's finished, choose where to save the file on your computer, and then an Export Complete pop-up will appear. Select OK, and you're done. If instead you want to save the parameter list to the project first, go to the navigation bar at the top, click on Tools, and select Parameter Backup. Make sure that checkbox is not selected and click Start. This will create a parameter list in the project. Once the backup is finished, to export the parameter list from the project, right-click in the parameter list window, go to Export, and then select Download List and choose the file type. The Save File window will pop up. Save it, and then the upload process is now complete. If you want to go through the download procedure for a KEB drive, click the video link in the description.